Say hello to the future of cooking with the Ultrean Air Fryer 8 Quart, a culinary powerhouse that promises to revolutionize your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, this air fryer is a must-have for every kitchen. With its impressive 8-quart cooking capacity, advanced features, and user-friendly design, it's time to take your cooking game to the next level. Are you tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen? The Ultrean Air Fryer 8 Quart is here to rescue you from mundane cooking routines. With its generous cooking capacity, you can effortlessly prepare delicious and satisfying meals for 6 to 8 persons. No more repetitive cooking, just efficient and flavorful results that cater to your entire family. Traveling abroad or living outside the US. Before you dive into the world of culinary wonders, make sure your power voltage matches the 120 volts required for this air fryer. Safety first, always. And for those curious about how to eliminate the initial smell of a new air fryer, here's a tip. Preheat slices of lemon at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it with soapy water before first use. Voila, a fresh start to your air frying journey. Here are the key features of Ultrean 8-quart air fryer. Customize your culinary masterpieces. Bid farewell to guesswork in cooking. The Ultrean Air Fryer 8-quart offers a digital touchscreen interface that lets you unleash your inner chef. With just a touch, switch between cooking presets, fry, bake, grill, and savor the magic of precision cooking. The separate buttons for time and temperature allow you to tailor your culinary creations to perfection. Seamless cooking experience. Cooking should be seamless and hassle-free. The Ultrean Air Fryer 8-quart comes to the rescue with its auto shut-off feature. Need a pause? Simply pull out the basket and cooking pauses. Resume by putting the basket back. It's that easy. And when your culinary masterpiece is ready, the fan button blinks to alert you. No more guesswork, just delightful cooking experiences. Sleek and durable design. Embrace elegance and durability with the stainless steel design of the Ultrean Air Fryer. Unlike other fryers, this sleek model is built to last. Its compact square shape ensures it fits snugly on your countertop, saving you precious space. And when it's time to clean up, rest easy knowing that the dishwasher-safe basket simplifies the process. Time-saving innovations. Say goodbye to preheating woes. With the not preheated and preheated function, cooking is faster and easier. Press the P button, preheat at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes and experience the difference in taste and time. No more waiting. Just savor the goodness of perfectly cooked food, faster than ever. Cooking for the whole family. Finally, bid adieu to cooking in batches. The Ultrean Air Fryer 8 Quart's impressive frying capacity allows you to prepare enough food for up to 8 people. No more compromising on quantity or quality. With this air fryer by your side, you can serve your family and guests with ease and satisfaction. Conclusion. The Ultrean Air Fryer 8 Quart is more than an appliance. It's a game changer in the world of cooking. From its impressive capacity to its user-friendly features, this air fryer is your ticket to efficient, flavorful, and hassle-free cooking. Elevate your culinary skills, create memorable family moments, and embark on a journey of taste and innovation with Ultrean.